Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the camera tricks on Motorola Moto G86 Power. Okay, so let's open up our app and let me show you the most interesting things that we have on this device. So for example, let's begin with the Google Lens. That's the icon on the top left corner. Simply click on that. And here we have three options. We can use the Google Lens to translate, to search for the selected image, or use this mode for homework. So when you use the homework and when you click the button, it will work for the result of your task, for example. Let's begin with the basic search method. In here I have this plant. Let's place it in front of the camera and let's take a picture. And now, according to the photo that we have just taken, we can also change the position of the scanned place. The Google is looking for the results according to the image that we have just taken, and in here we have similar plants that I have took a photo of. And for example, we can see what the image displays. So in this case is artificial succulent plant. We have the type, the material, any other things. For example, we can even buy similar plants to the one that I have just took photo of. So the Google Lens and the search option is simply good for searching things. When we don't know what something is called, for example, we simply take a photo of it using the Google Lens, and then we will have our result, what it is. And next thing is the translate mode. We can select the languages that we want to translate into, or what language we want to detect. Currently I don't have any text to show you, but actually, give me a second. I'll take a quick photo. Okay. Let's now select that we want to translate into, for example, I don't know, Bashkir. I don't know what language this is. But as you can see, some of the text has been successfully translated. Okay. The next thing in the normal photo mode is a possibility to take the burst shot. To do it, we need to simply hold the shutter button. Okay, as you can see, I took 51 photos, one after each one. So that's how this mode works for quick photo taking, just like that. Another cool thing is the slow motion mode. Right in here on the top we can change the resolution and the FPS. We have the HD and 240 or Full HD and 120 FPS. I'll record on the HD resolution just to show you how it works. Will it slow the video? Now we can save it. Now let's click on play to see how it works. Alright, as you can already see, the photo is really slowed as you take a look. Okay, in this part I was waving my hand before the camera. I was waving pretty fast, but thanks to the slow motion mode, the video has been successfully slowed. Okay, when it comes to the Pro mode, which is also a pretty cool feature, this mode is recommended for the people who really like to adjust almost everything that is possible. So we can adjust the automatic focus, we can change the white balance as we move left or right on this bar. Next thing is the shutter speed of our photo. Next thing is the ISO. And the last thing is the exposure. So if you are a kind of person who likes to adjust the settings of its camera, simply use this mode. And when you click on more, in here we also have some cool things. We have the scan. Thanks to it we can scan the QR codes. Night vision is recommended for people who like to take pictures in the night. They simply came out with the better quality. When it comes to the panorama, thanks to that we'll be able to take a wide photo. Let me show you how it works. Click on the shutter button and now move to the right side according to the direction that is shown on the screen. Currently you don't even see what I'm doing, but I'll show you the result. Okay, and now as you can see, thanks to the panorama mode, I took a wide photo, and that's because I made this move. I was sliding my phone left to right. For example, when I was using this mode, for example, in the mountains, it works really good, because in front of me I had a beautiful landscape, a beautiful view, and I have simply performed that move and the photo went pretty cool. The next thing is the ultra resolution. In this mode we simply have the highest megapixels, that is, in the ultra resolution mode we simply have the best quality of our picture. Unfortunately we cannot change the zoom level, so we only have 1x, but we can still change the exposure level manually, just like that. And now the last thing, actually not the last, but the photo booth is also pretty cool. You can click on the information button just to know what's going on. So prepare and pose with capturing 4 separate photos in a row with 3 seconds in between. You can see a preview how this mode should work. So now I'll make a few photos. Okay, this mode is used for selfies. As you click right in here, you can see a preview how it looked like. Okay, and the last mode under the more that I'm going to show you is the tilt shift. If you click on the information button, you can read how this works. Create a charming image using blur and flare effects that make your image seem miniature. So you can see that when the tilt shift mode is on, we have a little blur on our photo, and only the center of the photo is with the good focus. We can adjust the focus frame position with one finger. We can use the 2 fingers to adjust the width of the focus frame, and we can even rotate the focus frame with 2 fingers. So that's how you can do it. You can rotate it and change its position. And now you can take photos. For example, I'll take a photo of that plant. Okay, let's see if there is some difference. I think that this part of the photo and this one are a little bit blurred in comparison to the flower that is in the middle. And also we have the dual capture mode, and thanks to this mode we can record a video from both cameras at the same time. We can also change the layout when you click right in here. Now it's split in half. We can also change the position of the cameras, and when you go back you have this layout. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.